cyber sisters and misters, welcome back. Today's video is an update to my DIY glueless press-on nail tutorial. So if you want to see me getting nailed, stay with me. Before I get too deep into this video, welcome back subscribers, and if you're new, I'm Sunkissed Nic. I would love for you to tap the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you will receive an alert anytime I upload a new video. In the previous video, I've explained everything in great detail. Everything, the reasons why we're using this product, that product, what it does, what you shouldn't do, what you should do more of, all of that. So let's get started. All of the products that I use today will be listed down below in the DB. As you can see, you'll only need a few products to complete this application. Start with moisturized and trimmed cuticles. As always, start with clean hands and especially clean fingernails. This is a budget-friendly and a beginner-friendly application. Not to mention I can practice safety and social distance at home. So I selected this gorgeous turquoise nail set. So pretty, guys. Some of the nails are solid color, some of them are half glitter, half solid, some are fully glittered with the solid color on the bottom in the background. Kiss Nails gives us so many options. Even options for the toenails. Many options. So with the acrylic, I create a small ball with the liquid and the powder, and I just kind of tap it into place on top of my natural nail. Then I place the nail tip on top of the mix. I press it for about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes just to make sure that it bonds, sets in place properly, and there's no gaps, no holes or anything, no air pockets underneath. Just give it a good firm press. Just hold it in place. Hold it in place, and that's all you need to do. Well, if you're as heavy-handed as I am, I always use too much mixture, and what happens when you do that is it kind of gushes out around and above. It just kind of gets a little messy. So I use an orange wood stick to correct it, to kind of scrape off the excess. Works like a charm. Simple. Now I won't do too much talking during this video because everything was fully explained in my previous video, which I'll link in the cards above, and you can view it anytime after this video. Definitely come back to it. The information is vast. I'll just put it like that. There's so much information, and it'll give you a better explanation as to what I'm doing in this video. Yep. So what y'all know about multitasking? What y'all know about that? Okay, so while I am adding the powder mixture on my middle finger, I still have the pressure with my middle finger on top of my pointer finger. Get it in how you get it in. Just be sure that you're sure that you put the amount of pressure on those fingernails, each one, for the amount of time that's recommended at least. I'm not ambidextrous, so it is a little more difficult for me to use my left hand versus my dominant hand. But shout out to all the people who can use their right and left hand equally as well. I've always admired that. I guess I just haven't practiced it enough, but somehow, some way, when I need to use my left hand, I still always get the job done. Hey, let me know if you've got skills with both your left and right hand. Let me know down in the comment section. Tell me some of the things that you can do equally as well with both your right and left hand. So on one of the nails, I believe that I kind of took too long. I got distracted or something, and I ended up having to use my cuticle trimmer to go in and kind of cut away the mixture that had hardened around my nail. Yeah, so you kind of want to make sure that you have time to work with it and that you're kind of free of the distractions, because once it gets hard and sets, you'll definitely have to remove it, and it'll take a little bit more work to remove it after it hardens, but it's not a big deal either. It comes off pretty easily. Saturating a cotton pad with alcohol so that I can clean up any excess that's around my nail bed. COVID-19 has delayed the progress of many day-to-day activities, but luckily I was able to get in and have the missing stone replaced in my ring.
Perfect.
So lucky. So after applying the vitamin E oil, I washed my hands off camera, came back, applied more oil, especially around those cuticles, and just really saturate the cuticles, rub it all in very nicely, get everything nice and smooth, and voila, that's all that it takes. Natural looking, beautiful nails. I love nail art. I like for my nails to be super duper shiny or extremely matte. So I remove the oil and I polish my nails. Just being extra, but just a little bit. Now this step is totally optional. And here's the final look. Yes! I have to snap that one up for myself. Yes. Get into this look, sis. Get into it. COVID-19 friendly, safety measures in place, do it yourself at home, budget friendly, social distancing friendly nail tutorial. Yes, get into it, sis. Get it. Yes, the coins are dropping, and it's just a reminder of all the coins that you can save by doing it yourself. I hope you find something in this video that you can use today, something that you can take away and share with a friend. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Sunkissed Nic. I hope you enjoy the rest of your 24. See you later. Bye. Click the link above for another classy, sassy hair tutorial or a session of Sunkissed sales.
Perfect.